How to open WhatsApp Web on computer. Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Web on your computer. WhatsApp Web is a convenient feature that allows you to connect to your WhatsApp account from your computer. Step 1. Logging into WhatsApp Web. Open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Type web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Step 2. Scanning the QR code. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to the WhatsApp Web option. Tap on Link a device and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen with your phone's camera. Step 3. Connection and usage. After scanning the QR code, your computer will be connected to your WhatsApp account. Now you can send and receive WhatsApp messages from your computer. Messages sent and received are synchronized instantly. You have now learned how to use WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know. Closing. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorial videos. Thank you!